Okay, so you get the food and then you get me in the action. Hello, how you doing? What do you want me to cook you? What do you want me to cook you? You don't know? You want the ribeye? You want the ribeye? You want to show you on this too? Are you doing full close-up?
Okay, I'm bored.
No, some more.
I'm bored. I'm hungry.
Don't be, well, yeah, I'm cooking. Okay, I think this one's ready. Where's your plate? One.
You eat that one.
No. Okay, what else are we putting on? Oh, look, this one. What's this?
The short rib.
Yeah, you like the flavor. You flavor it, yeah?
You want it flavored?
Okay, you turn it off.
I'm bored, Nakala.
Okay, you turn it off.
Can I stop?
Yeah, stop.
I'm bored.
Okay, go for it. You can turn it off now.
No, I don't want to.
What?
I don't want to.
Okay, you can turn it off now. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good.